Hi, are you new here? If you are a person that is all about their business or building a brand, then this channel is for you. So there is this new tool that has hit the market, okay, you guys? It is called Chat GPT. And if you haven't heard of Chat GPT yet, you didn't quite miss the party, but you are a little late. So let's get you seated. So what exactly is Chat GPT? It is a language model created by OpenAI to basically help you with everything, okay? So think of like Siri times a million. And you all, it has some of the most amazing features I've ever seen. So today I'm gonna take you through the process of setting up an account and showing you a few prompts, showing you what you can do. I'm gonna switch to screen record for this and give you some examples. Okay, so honestly, the easiest way to do this is probably just to type Chat GPT into Google, but if you want to do it like me, it's going to be chat.openai.com. You are going to go ahead and sign up. Boom. So when you are all signed in, this is the screen that should pop up. And as you see, they have a GPT 3.5. They also have a GPT 4, right? Over on your left side, you're going to have the new chat column, and you're going to click new chat. Or at the bottom, they have a send a message. This is where you prompt your friend, okay? So a few things about Chat GPT I want you to understand is the more specific you are, the better, okay? And you can ask this anything, and it'll dang near give you the most accurate answer. So I have a few prompts right here that I wrote down for you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and say those. I'm gonna start from like least specific to most specific, just so you can see what I'm talking about. So for my business baddies, our first prompt is design me a business plan. That's it. Design me a business plan. Go ahead and make that go. Look how fast that is going. That is absolutely insane. And it's so detailed too. All I said was design me a business plan. So if you look at the very first if you look at the very first paragraph, it says, sure, I will design you a business plan, most definitely. But it also says that creating a comprehensive business plan requires detailed understanding of your specific business. So they want to know your name. They want to know how long you want this business plan to be. Do you want it over a course of like 3 months? Do you want it over a course of 3 years? Let them know. Let them know what type of business it is, okay? But right here, if you scroll down, business plan outline, this is what you're going to need: an executive summary, a company description, market analysis, organization and management, product or service line. Like, it is going to give you the details. It is so detailed. But it's also super helpful because now you don't have to think about a business plan or a business strategy. You just plug in all your information and let it do it for you. And if you look to the left panel, you can see it actually goes ahead and labels whatever you were typing in. So I said, create me a business plan. It says business plan design. So you can go back in a future day and go ahead and click on them. Okay, so for prompt 2, we're going to get a little bit more specific. And forewarning, I'm not saying that Chat GPT needs to be used for this, but to each their own. So prompt number 2 is write me an excuse for work that I can email to my boss. Also include that I slipped on a banana. This is so wild, you guys. Boom. It's like a mid-length excuse. And it even gives you a subject line. Are you joking? Absence due to unforeseen circumstances. I mean, I guess slipping on a banana is an unforeseen circumstance. Wow. So it says, dear, insert boss's name here. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to inform you that I will not be able to make it to work today due to an unexpected incident. You don't say. Unfortunately, I slipped on a banana peel while rushing to get ready this morning, resulting in a minor injury that requires some rest and medical attention. As much as I value my commitment to work and understand the importance of meeting responsibilities, this accident has left me unable to perform my duties effectively and safely. My health and well-being are of utmost priority, period, and I want to ensure that I recover promptly to return to work at my best. Wow, it even goes to say that I have already informed blank, insert colleague's name here, about my absence and much more. Like when I tell you this is so detailed, but also remember that this is AI, you guys. So before you just copy and paste this message into an email, definitely read it to see if there's any accidents or they maybe subbed a word for a different word that's supposed to go there. But all in all, you guys, this looks pretty real and dang good, okay? Okay, so it's time for the very last prompt. This is probably going to be the most descriptive one. And if you are in the service industry or you're a bartender, server, this could really help you out, okay? So the third prompt is, create me a cocktail recipe that includes no citrus, is gin forward, and recommend me a garnish that could accompany it. There it goes, using that big brain. Oh my gosh. Sure, I've got a cocktail recipe for you. I bet you do. How about a refreshing herbal gin fizz that is gin forward and does not contain any citrus? I mean, that sounds perfect to me, yeah? Okay, so it lists off the ingredients. You got some gin, some elderflower, honey syrup, herbal liqueur, and an egg white. Soda water to top it off. Your garnish is going to be a fresh sprig of rosemary or thyme. That actually sounds really good. Also sounds like something that's already been made, so that's why I'm like, be careful, you guys. Also gives you instructions, add it to the shaker, dry shake, fill shaker, strain. Oh, and it gives you a little description. This herbal gin fizz is a perfect choice if you're looking for a gin forward cocktail with herbal or floral notes. The garnish of fresh rosemary or thyme adds an aromatic touch that completes the botanical flavors of the gin and herbal liqueur. Enjoy responsibly. All in all, you guys, tell me how you think Chat GPT did, because to me, she's that girl. She seems to be that girl, okay? Basically, I would sum it up as Chat GPT is like a personal assistant that never sleeps.